Suppose we have a student class which contains 4 data members. Student name, ID is integer, GPA is double, address. So all the data members have default value. That means once a student object is created, those data members will be initialized by compiler automatically. For example, for name will be initialized with no value. ID will be initialized with 0, so on. Same for address. We can create a reference to a type. For example, here we create a student reference of type of student. The student is called a reference variable or pointer of type student. It contains the address of student object or no value. The actual student object needs to be created by using new operator. For example, here we just create a student object pointed by student reference or pointer. We could assign no value to student reference. That means that student reference does not point to any object. In Java, we don't have pointer, however, we do have no pointer exception. So that's why we are still using pointer or reference. Suppose student class has a data member called student next, which refers to next student object similar to the address data member. And then we can use object references to create a links between objects. As you see, here are 2 student objects are linked by student reference or next reference inside object. Suppose we have a lot of objects are linked together. That is called linked list. So a linked list is a collection of data items of same type that are stored in separate objects referred to as nodes. Each node contains, in addition to the data portion, a reference to an object of same type. Normally, this reference is used to connect one node to the next node in the linked list. For linked list, we need to have external pointer or reference. Normally we call head, which contains the address of first node object. In summary, 2 objects of same class can be instantiated and chained together, having the next reference of one node object refer to another. The second object next reference can refer to the third node object, and so on, creating a linked list of node objects. Each node will contain some data as specified by the programmer.